Let's talk metabolism. Ever feel like you're doing everything right, but the scale won't budge and your energy's low? It's frustrating, but you're not alone. Often, it's a sluggish metabolism holding you back. Think of your metabolism as your body's engine. If it's not running efficiently, everything feels harder. The good news? You can tune up that engine with a few simple changes. Today I'll show you how to boost your metabolism and feel more energized. No crazy diets, just smart habits. Ready to get started? Let's kick things off by understanding what metabolism actually is. Grab a drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. Metabolism sounds complicated, but it's really just how your body turns food into energy. It powers everything, moving, thinking, even sleeping. As we age or lose muscle, metabolism can slow down. Less muscle means fewer calories burned at rest. Long periods of inactivity or crash diets can also slow things down, as your body tries to conserve energy. Stress and lack of sleep mess with your hormones, putting the brakes on your metabolism. The best part? You can influence most of these factors. Build muscle, eat well, manage stress and sleep. These choices rev up your internal engine. Let's see what happens when your metabolism is working at its best. When your metabolism's humming, you'll notice more energy and less fatigue. That afternoon slump? Gone. You'll have more stamina for work, family, and fun. A faster metabolism also means your body burns more calories even at rest, making weight management easier. But it's not just about weight. A healthy metabolism sharpens your focus, boosts your mood, and supports your mental health. It helps regulate blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure, protecting your heart and future health. These small habits are an investment in a vibrant, energetic life. Let's talk about how to get moving and fire up that metabolism. Ready? Here's where to start. Step 1. Move more every day. It's not about drastic changes, but rather incorporating movement into your daily life. Think of it as adding sprinkles of activity throughout your day, rather than one big chunk. You don't need intense workouts. The goal here is to increase your overall activity level without overwhelming yourself. Start with something manageable and build from there. Just break up long periods of sitting. Our bodies aren't designed to be sedentary for extended periods, so even short breaks can make a difference. Stand, stretch, walk around, get the blood flowing, and re-energize your body. These small actions can have a cumulative effect on your metabolism and overall well-being. Every bit counts. Don't underestimate the power of small movements. They all add up to a more active and healthier you. This is called neat non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's a fancy term for all the movement you do that isn't structured exercise. All the calories you burn doing daily activities like simply puttering around the house, cleaning, gardening. These activities might not feel like exercise, but they contribute significantly to your daily calorie expenditure, or taking the stairs. Opt for the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. It's a simple way to sneak in extra movement. Look for ways to add movement. Be creative and find opportunities to incorporate activity into your routine. Walk to the shops, leave the car at home, and enjoy a brisk walk to the store. Have a walking phone call instead of sitting at your desk. Pace around while you chat, or dance in your kitchen. Put on some music and let loose. It's a fun way to get your heart rate up. Structured exercise helps too, of course. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. HIIT workouts are quick. High-intensity interval training is a great option if you're short on time. And boost your metabolism for hours after. This means you'll continue burning calories even after your workout is complete. Just 2 or 3 HIIT sessions a week can be enough to see significant improvements in your fitness level and metabolic rate. This can make a big difference. You'll feel more energized, stronger, and healthier overall. Most important, find activities that bring you joy. Find movement you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport, so you'll stick with it. The key to long-term success is finding activities that you genuinely enjoy and can incorporate into your lifestyle. Consistency beats intensity. It's better to move a little bit every day than to push yourself too hard and burn out. Move a little every day. Make movement a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Start small, celebrate progress, acknowledge your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem, and your metabolism will thank you. You'll feel more energetic, healthier, and more alive. Now let's talk about fueling your body right, because movement is only one piece of the puzzle. What you eat truly matters. It's the fuel that powers your body, influencing everything from your energy levels to your overall well-being. Think of food as information that you're sending to your cells. It's just as important as how you move. Exercise is crucial, but without the right nutrition, you're not maximizing your efforts. They work hand in hand, a dynamic duo for optimal health. Don't starve yourself, that's a common mistake. Undereating slows your metabolism significantly. When you drastically cut calories, your body goes into survival mode, conserving energy and burning fewer calories. It's counterproductive to your goals. Instead, focus on adding, not restricting. Think about incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet rather than fixating on what you should eliminate. Start with protein. It's a game changer. Protein requires more energy to digest than carbs or fats, meaning it burns more calories to digest. Plus, it helps build muscle mass, which further boosts your metabolism. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. Therefore, include protein in every meal. Opt for lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, lentils, or Greek yogurt. These are all excellent choices to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Don't fear carbs, they're not the enemy. Just choose complex ones like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. These provide sustained energy, preventing those dreaded energy crashes. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil are vital for hormone balance and overall healthy body function. And don't forget water. It's the unsung hero of metabolism. Even mild dehydration can slow your metabolism, making it harder to burn calories. Keep a water bottle handy, and sip throughout the day to stay hydrated and keep your metabolism humming. Every small choice adds up, creating a ripple effect on your health. These choices contribute to a faster, healthier metabolism, leading to increased energy and overall well-being. Next, let's talk about the power of sleep and how it impacts your metabolic rate. In the quest for a healthy metabolism, there's one cornerstone that often gets overlooked: sleep. It's not just about feeling rested, it's about optimizing your body's internal processes. Sleep is absolutely non-negotiable for a healthy metabolism. Think of sleep as the foundation upon which your health is built. You can't out-eat or out-exercise poor sleep. No amount of dieting or intense workouts can compensate for consistently inadequate rest. During deep sleep, your body repairs itself at a cellular level. It's a crucial time for restoration and rejuvenation. This is when your body builds muscle, repairs tissues, and balances hormones, all of which are essential for a thriving metabolism. Growth hormone, vital for muscle growth and fat metabolism, is primarily released during deep sleep. Lack of sleep increases hunger hormones like ghrelin and decreases satiety hormones like leptin, leading to increased cravings, particularly for sugary and processed foods, making it harder to eat well. High stress and poor sleep also raise cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone, which can slow your metabolism and encourage fat storage, especially around the abdominal area. Chronically elevated cortisol levels can wreak havoc on your metabolic health. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is the sweet spot for most adults to optimize their metabolic function and overall well-being. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Read a book to wind down, stretch gently to release tension, or listen to calming music to soothe your mind. Keep your bedroom cool, ideally between 60-67 degrees Fahrenheit, dark with blackout curtains, and screen-free at least an hour before bed to boost melatonin production, your natural sleep hormone. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do, not only for your metabolism, but also for your energy levels, mood, cognitive function, and overall health. It's an investment in your long-term well-being. Now, let's talk about building muscle through strength training for a lasting boost to your metabolism. Here's how strength training changes everything, transforming your body composition and revving up your metabolic engine. Strength training is a metabolism game changer. You don't need a gym, bodyweight moves like squats and push-ups work. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. More muscle means a faster metabolism, 24/7. Just 2 or 3 short strength sessions a week can make a big difference. Focus on compound moves, squats, lunges, rows, for the best results. Start with what you can handle and increase as you get stronger. Getting stronger feels amazing and keeps your metabolism high for the long haul. So, move more, eat smart, sleep well, and build a little muscle. Which step will you start with today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.